So I am heading to pick up an oversized load. This load is 16 foot wide. This is double the legal limit. My name is Brad. This is my channel. 16 foot wide. These trailers are 8.5 foot. So it's basically double the legal limit. I am so wide that I have to have an escort. When you look in your mirrors, you cannot see behind you at all. I mean, nothing. So, and I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but when your load is all the way on the shoulder and a little bit out in the other lane, and you come over a hill and somebody's parked on the shoulder and you got to get over and you can't see if you're going to hit some, like, it is nerve-wracking. I'm going to get there, get my measurements, get everything strapped down, put all my banners and everything on. But the kicker about this load is it goes into the city, right? Oversized tanks. I'll walk through this, kind of show you guys. Bad thing is this goes into the city and Grand Prairie. Not looking forward to that. I do have a little X going across both tanks. You can see it going up and over and down. This outside one right here is strictly for that flag. Last time I did these, I had a flag taped on the side and they flew off, and I just ran 4 extra straps. They're not pretty, but it's a strap going up and over, and that is the red flag with the wire loop in it. You can see another one that's just for that. That's my X. Got the oversized banners. Easy. That's the other part of the X. That's literally for that flag. Got some strobes on the back. Should be a nice, well, I ain't gonna lie. This is gonna be white knuckle. It's gonna white knuckle this whole trip. Semi on the shoulder up here. It's right up here. I need over one more. Can I get over? I need over after this truck. God, can I get over? Up. Everything seems to be riding good, man. Stop, did a load check my tires and all that. We're in good shape. I am gonna double check my maps and just make sure that I'm on route. When you're doing these OD loads, you know, it's mandatory that you stay on the route that was given to you. So I'm gonna double check it. We're about an hour out and get to where we're going and drop this bad boy. I'm following like this line right here. You can see, look how far out I am. And following that line, I'm right to the edge of this white line over here. And this sucks. This is the reality. When you get permits are state, highway, and whatnot. So this literally took me and had me exit Beltline right off of Interstate 20 and then Beltline. Well, it stops there. So from Beltline to the destination, there is no permits to follow. So look, I mean, you can see how wide I am. And my GPS was telling me to go to this road up here. And it's road construction. Cones on both sides. Shuts down into one lane, so I had to pull over. And but I'd rather be safe than sorry. I sent my pilot car guy to go check the route and make sure it's open, because I mean, look, you can tell this doesn't know justice. I mean, this is almost 4 foot right here. So he's gonna go make sure the route's clean. All right, all these little one-lane roads. We're about to shut some roads down. My pilot car, Carl, man, he's gonna shut some roads down.
Thank you, mama.
Yeah, appreciate it, y'all.
I got 18. Got the little loop right there. He goes,
Oh, yeah. Goddamn fucking street signs.
oh, yeah.
Woo, wee.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this how it turns.
Yeah. Okay.
Come on.
Peace, Carl. You ain't down in that truck. Hey, we're in the home stretch now, bro. I appreciate it, bro. God damn, man. This dude, come on, man. It's funny, old dude in the front was acting like, oh man, it's just right around the corner, man, blah, blah, blah. Shouldn't be no problem. Yeah. He saw all the way across the road almost. They got the roach coach in front of us, bro.
That was good.
Alright, we made it. That was that was an insane trip. These are smart glasses, and they record, and I hope they record us shutting the roads down. I am done for the day. Dropping my trailer right now. It's turned out to be pretty good, man. I'm glad I went with this. My truck sounds mean. Today was a good day, man. It was a good day. I did all that, did it all safely, came through, you know, and the main thing is doing it all safely and doing it all legally. From having our permits in order, you know, having our pilot car service show up, and just getting it there, you know, safely and by the book, man. Not cutting corners. And I know it's something to say like, well, you're not supposed to. You know, we don't at all. But it's crazy how many people do. You know, to each their own, but it's rewarding, you know, when you handle business and everything's on the up and up. But today wore me out mentally. You know, I think I'm gonna do a video. So when you do these over width, over height, or overweight loads, you know, when you get your permits, you have to stick, they give you your route, right? For instance, I was 16 foot wide. I can't just take off. What if I hit an area on Interstate 20 where everything went down to one lane? You know, and I'm taking out stuff on both sides, all right? So you either do your permits yourself, like, or, you know, I pay a permit company to do mine, just get them done, get them over with, and they give me my route, and that way it's, but there's an art to following these routes. They are not the easiest when you look at them on paper. Every state is different when you see theirs, and I'm gonna do a video on how I actually lay out my route on Google Maps, and it makes it nice and easy. Everything's on my CarPlay, because it's really, if you miss one exit and you don't catch it, like your whole route's thrown off. I mean, you know, you could be in dire straits, literally. But I'm gonna wrap this video up, man. Not bad, dude.
All right, guys, so if you like this kind of videos, hit that subscribe button. It helps our little channel more than you know. And if you guys want to see something, comment below. I want to start getting into more videos for you guys, putting out content that you want to see instead of just the day-to-day. So leave me a comment if you want to see something. I'll dive in and I'll do the best I can. I appreciate all you guys.